Testing. What's going on, guys? What's going on? What is going on, everyone? Today I am going to be showing you, no, it's not a DoorDash video, but if you would like to see the DoorDash video, click on that link right up there and then come back to this video and watch this one. But today I will be showing you what is in my backpack for Southeast Asia. Now, before I get this video started, I have this backpack right here. Now, this is my backpacking backpack, and this one right here is my day pack. It's really hot in here. This light is, you guys gotta bear with me, okay? It's hot in here. My veins are popping out. Now, even if your bag is not fragile, just take a piece of tape right there and then tape it on your bag and write fragile. Because people on the plane, they're gonna be going like this. Say the conveyor belt's right here. They pick up your bag, they're gonna be like, oh, all right, this bag's going on the plane. Catch it, Jonathan. Oh, I got it, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Almost dropped that right there. People will be throwing your bags around because they're trying to get your bags from the conveyor belt onto the plane, and they might be in a hurry. So the best thing to do is to write fragile on your bag right here. Now let me first show you what is in my day pack. Okay. This backpack right here, I just ordered it. It came in the mail today about maybe 30 minutes ago. I finally got it. I waited a full 2 days. Millennial problems, huh? This backpack was $20. You can check it out. Little 360 right there. It has it's somewhat breathable, but, oh yeah, I forgot to show you. Right here. What? No way. I did not know this. Okay, so there's a secret compartment inside this one. Let me see if I can show you the orange. See where the orange is? There's like a place where you can put your wallet, maybe your passport. You can put stuff in here and no one will be able to steal this from you because it is on your back. Another cool feature about this backpack, it has these locks. You can use these locks right here. I'm gonna go out in public when we're in Bali and just have it locked up like that. If you don't want it to hang like this, all you have to do is take it and just tuck it right in here. Tuck it in this little thing. That's all you have to do, and it's hidden. It doesn't even look like your backpack's locked up. It's so cool. This is like one of the best $20 purchases I've made in a long time. First, I'm gonna show you the front of the backpack, the front pocket. Something is on inside my backpack, not sure what it is. Oh, as you can see, there's a flashlight in here that I have right there. The next thing I have is these Beats. These are for video editing. I have my cord in case I don't want to use Bluetooth. This protects me from horses. Worst case scenario, I break out from an allergic reaction coming into contact with horses. I take this, stab myself in the leg, and I'll survive. So I need to carry this on me because I've seen horses on people's videos in Bali on the beach. So I gotta watch out for that. Now at the bottom of this backpack, I have 2 locks in case we have to lock our stuff up within a locker. And in this outer spot right here, my MacBook converter. This thing was like $20 on Amazon. I have this right here, and I have the little box right here, charger, computer charger. Here I have the Samsung T5. It is a 250 gigabyte portable SSD for my laptop so that I can make more content for you guys. This converter right here, it has every single outlet thing that you can think of for the world. Right here, you just plug in yours and then there's the converter and it goes into the outlet. So these are for traveling around the world. This thing was like 25 bucks at Best Buy. Then in here, I have my batteries. You can see I have a few cameras. And then I have my headphones right here, they're Beats X. They're called Beats X. Voila, there's a bunch of little compartments in here. This is my rain jacket in case it rains, and it's also really comfortable and it's lightweight. Shout out to Nathan for buying this for me. In these little pockets right here, you can see my stabilizer. This is the tripod stand for the stabilizer. And then this handle goes right here, just like that. This is for the portable charger slot right here on the side. You can plug it in and charge your phone from the outside. I have a notebook, one that I write all my plans in, video ideas, all kinds of stuff that I need to get done. And in here, my calendar, if I have something important I need to get done, I put it in there to make sure I get it done. And last but not least, we have the MacBook. Now, let's line everything up on the floor so you can see it all spread out. And I forgot to mention that I have this microphone right there. And I have my DSLR right here. Okay, now that is everything that is going inside my backpack. And the last thing that will be going in my backpack is this camera right here. It is the Canon G7X Mark II. And then I have this Joby GorillaPod right here. That is all of the stuff that I'm bringing with me to Asia in my tiny little backpack right over there. All right, now this backpack right here is called the REI Ruckpack 65 liter. It is from REI. Travis and I went to the store the other day and we were looking for a backpacking backpack, and this was the best backpack that we found for the price range that we were looking for. It's a 65 liter, which is great. It also comes with this detachable day pack. It's somewhat small. It's probably like 15 liters, I'm guessing. This is like a backup one that we're gonna have just in case. Now right here, in order to open it, you have to unbuckle these buckles right here, which secure the day pack into place, and then unzip it. It has one major zipper right here, which looks like this. This is my drone. And these are all of the clothes that I have in my backpack. I made sure to pack 2 sports shirts and 2 sports shorts. So I have 2 pairs of clothes that I can work out in. Total t-shirts, including the one that I'm wearing, I have 7 t-shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 t-shirts. 1 pair of jeans, along with 4 pairs of shorts. 2 shorts. 4 shorts. Here's the 4 shorts. And then I have my swim trunks, 1 pair of swim trunks. Along with that, I have a microfiber antibacterial towel. If you would like to purchase this, go click on the link in the description. It was like 10 bucks, I think. It's a portable towel and it's super light. It's extremely light, so you don't have to lug around a huge cotton towel with you, just in case I need duct tape or something. And then on the side pocket right here, this is my belt. And then I have a ton of underwear, which I'm not gonna really show you. And then this is just the box for my EpiPen that I'm taking. This part, I have my toiletries and socks. It's best to just put this in a big Ziploc bag. I have a bag that I can put my stuff in, like a little duffel bag kind of, but it's too big. So to optimize space within my backpacking backpack, I set it up inside of this Ziploc bag. And then right here is my camera stuff. This is for the drone, this is the charger, this is another charger for something. Completely forgot. I'm putting a dress shirt in there to wear with the jeans, and then that's it. This is my portable speaker. I'm gonna just sneak this in my backpacking backpack. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Help us reach our like goal of 15 likes. I think we can do it, guys. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe, because I'll be posting once a week in Asia. It's just gonna be really entertaining. I will see you guys in the next video.
Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough.